Your question is, which act of British Parliament abolished the East India Company monopoly over trade in India? Your options are A. Regulating Act, B. Pitt's India Act, C. Charter Act of 1813, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Charter Act of 1813. Your question is, the Indian legislature was paid bicameral for the first time by. Your options are A. Indian Council Act of 1892, B. Indian Council Act of 1909, C. The Government of India Act of 1919, or D. The Government of India Act of 1935. Right answer is C. The Government of India Act of 1919. Your question is, which of the following statements is true? Your options are A. The federal form of government is in United States of America, B. The government of India is federal and unitary both, C. The government of France is of federal form, or D. The Prime Minister of Pakistan is appointed by the people. Right answer is A. The federal form of government is in the United States of America. Your question is, Indian constitution has taken a certain feature of the constitution of other countries. Which country has contributed to the framing of the directive principles of state policy? Your options are A. France, B. Ireland, C. Japan, or D. USA. Right answer is B. Ireland. Your question is, Koleho case is related to which schedule of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. 7th, B. 8th, C. 9th, or D. 10th. Right answer is C. 9th. Your question is, fourth schedule of the Constitution of India deals with. Your options are A. Allocation of seats for the Council of States, B. Political defection, C. Panchayat system, or D. Languages. Right answer is A. Allocation of seats for the Council of States. Your question is, where have the words "we, the people of India" been used in the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Directive Principles, B. Fundamental Rights, C. Citizenship, or D. Preamble of the Constitution. Right answer is D. Preamble of the Constitution. Your question is, the goal of Constitution is to secure or assure all its citizens 1. Justice social and economic, 2. Liberty of thoughts and expression, C. Equality of opportunity, 4. Dignity of the individual. Choose the correct answer by using code. Your options are A. 1 and 2, B. 1, 2 and 3, C. 2, 3 and 4, or D. All above. Right answer is D. All above. Justice social and economic, liberty of thought and expression, equality of opportunity, and dignity of the individual. Your question is, which is the national flower of India? Your options are A. Sunflower, B. Lotus, C. Rose, or D. Marigold. Right answer is B. Lotus. Your is, there is parliamentary system of government in India because the. Your options are A. Lok Sabha is elected directly by the people, B. Parliament can amend the constitution, C. Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved, or D. Council of Ministers is responsible to the Lok Sabha. Right answer is D. Council of Ministers is responsible to the Lok Sabha.